Hey everybody, happy Monday. In today's video, I'm going to expand upon a little bit of what we were talking about with the inverted pairs exercise from last video. But this time, I'm going to be using the harmonic minor scale plus a bonus scale. So just a quick review here. Let's remember what we were talking about. We have the inverted pairs. So as we play up the scale, we go up a third, then to the next note of the scale, then down a third, and then we keep that same pattern going. And then as we go down a third, then to the next note in the scale, then up a third, and then down to the next note, and then we keep that pattern going. Let me quickly play for you this exercise using concert E-flat harmonic minor, so you can hear what it sounds like. Alright, so that was the harmonic minor scale. Let's quickly talk about this new bonus scale, which is going to be the whole tone scale. There's a ton of applications for this scale. So those who don't know what the scale is, here's the whole tone scale in concert E-flat. It's a scale that's completely built on whole steps. So it's E-flat, then to F, then to G. There's a chromatic pitch here, but then it skips over that to A, then to B, to C sharp, D flat, and goes back to E flat. So let's do this exercise now using the whole tone scale. So it sounds pretty cool, right? So why don't you try this out with any other scale that you know, diminished scales, any modes, it all sounds great. So keep working and keep that mind working. I'll see you next time.